Hi friends, this is Nikash here. I'm back with a different problem today. The problem name is jump game, and it's one of the important questions asked in the Google and Facebook interviews. And before I dig into the problem, just wanted to let you know that if you guys want to connect with me, you can connect with me via Instagram. I'll be putting the link in the description below. And let's get started with the problem now. So the problem statement is something like this. Given an array of non-negative integers, you are initially positioned at the first index of the array. Each element in the array represents your maximum jump length at that position. Determine if you are able to reach the last index. Basically, you have been given an input array and you're starting at the index 0. You need to figure out if you are able to reach the index size -1, basically the last index. So every time you are at an index, you can take only number of jumps as the value of that particular index. Okay, let's go with the example. So in the first example, you'll be starting at the index 0 where you're able to take 1 or 2 jumps at max. So let's say we take first jump, then we reach the index 1. From here, if we take the 3 jumps, then yes, we reach the last index, so we return true. So let's go with the second example. So here you start with the index 0. At the index 0, the value is 3. So you can take jump by position 1, position 2 or position 3. Let's try all the 3 jumps. Okay, so for the first case, if we just jump by 1 position, we reach index 2. So index 2, again we can take 1 jump or 2 jumps. So if we take 1 jump, we reach index 2 where the value is 1, and if we take that one particular jump, we reach index 0 from where we can't reach the last index, so we return false. And if you repeat the same, you will see that you are not able to reach the last index in any of the cases, so you return false. So this is a little bit of tricky problem. So I have a logic here. So this is my logic. Basically, you will be starting from the first index, and every time you move forward, you need to make sure that you're not starting at an index and you're sitting at somewhere else. So for example, if you're sitting at index 1 and if you're trying to take number of jumps from index 3, you will not be able to do that, right? So in that case, you return false. So then the next condition is every time you move forward, you need to take either 1 or maximum jumps from there, right? Or you just skip it. So in this case, if you are taking 3 jumps from here, you are skipping position 2 and 3. So that's nothing but skipping those values because you took the previous value. So basically, this is the condition I was talking about. You need to calculate the maximum by taking either one of them. So the first value is 1 jump from before to reach this current position and all the jumps from this current position, or you skip this and just take the previous positions. Okay, so and then we iterate and we reach the end of the array, and until that, if you have not encountered a false condition, then we return true. I'll quickly write the logic so you'll have a better understanding. So I need a variable called as reach. Let's say initially it's 0. Then I start going over the input array. Nice. So I check if I'm already at an index greater than where I was sitting at. In that case, I just return false. If not, then I need to calculate the maximum value for reach. So reach will be maximum of reach, which is nothing but the number of jumps till the previous position. Okay, so if not, I take the current position plus number of jumps I can take from the current position. So maximum will be one of these two. So if I don't encounter this false condition, then here I return true. Let's submit and see if this works fine. It does. It's one of the fastest solution. The runtime is 20 milliseconds and the time complexity for this is O of n, where n being the number of elements in the given input. I mean, if you face this problem in the interviews, it's a little tricky to come up with this solution. But once you have gone through it and analyzed that how you are going step by step, you can easily end up with this solution. So please try this problem by yourself and let me know how that goes. If you have any inputs or concerns, please do let me know in the comment section below. And do like, share and subscribe and keep learning every day. Until next time, bye-bye.